Yeah, Daddy went under. Should we go back to the steps? Hey? Hey, you can chase Dad. Do you want to chase Dad? Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go, Rebecca.
I'm chasing you.
You come get Dad. No, you're gonna catch me. You're gonna catch me. Come on. You're gonna catch me.
No, you don't catch me. Daddy, go.
No, wait. You catch me first. And then when we get to the steps, I'll catch you. You're gonna catch me, Rebecca. Not too slow. Oh. Oh, you're gonna catch your Dad. Oh, you get. Oh, you got me. You got me.